here.
Is anybody here? Hello? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Green Hornet Squad. I'm Fernando.
I'm Jose.
And here's my brother Charlie. He's joining us on this video. We're gonna go explore this haunted factory that we found in Google. Well, actually, I didn't find it. My brother found it. So he'll tell you a little bit about that place, you know.
Well, the guy says there's things there that happen. He says every day that he goes there, there's let me see, absolutely terrifying things will get crazier after each visit. If you want to witness actual paranormal activities, this is a place to see. And
me and my brother, we already went during the day to film for the intro, and it's huge. It's like abandoned and creepy as hell, you know. So we're gonna explore that video, but before we do that, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you're new. Hit that like and leave your comments. Last week on our last video, I know Jose got upset. I know, I'm sorry, bro. No. I know I should have told him about the Ouija board, and I didn't thought he was gonna get mad about it, and it's kind of like my fault. I should have told him about it. So I'll apologize, and next time I'll just let you know, so
it's just, everything. When I got upset, you just showed me by surprise about the Ouija board, and it just, upset me because I told you millions of times I didn't want to play, but you still did. But I have to basically just practically suck it up. We're doing this video. We have to find evidence of paranormal, and plus, you should have just told me about it so I could just prepare myself mentally.
Yeah, like I said, like in the phone, next time I'll just tell you about it, But I mean, we're not always gonna use the Ouija board because it's a dangerous tool to do. And we're just using it like in special occasions. And that day, a lot of stuff got crazy, like literally crazy, man. And I know you got really freaked out, and you got scared. And
I just wanted to leave the area.
And then after that, in the end, I got freaked out and I got scared, and I started hearing the little baby coming like from behind, and I feel like little footsteps too, So I was like, let's get out of here too,
Even though when reviewing back the video, you see a little orb back on it.
Yeah, you saw the video?
Yeah, I seen it.
It's creepy, right?
Yeah, it was creepy. Yeah. But Jose, he almost was crying.
You know what, Charlie?
So yeah, guys, it's very cold today, like super. It's almost like below zero. So we're gonna head up right now, and then we start the video from there. All right? Okay. Bye. All right, guys, we're here, and we're just gonna get in right now. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, shit, we made it. Did you drop something? Yeah, just put it in your pocket, bro. No, turn off the light. All right, guys, it's dark right now because we don't want people spotting us. Apaga la luz, güey. No prendas. Apaga la luz, güey. All right. Yeah, I know, but this is in the low beam, bro. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, dude.
We're all here.
Yeah. Yeah. You see me? Tight, right? It's a little bit right here, bro. We gotta cross through the woods. Right there. What? I don't know if you guys can see that all the way there. That's where the building is. Dude, at least there's not a lot of snow anymore. No, because there's a lot of snow on the road.
So what we gotta do, across here?
Yeah, hold on. Hey Charlie, maybe we should cross right here already. Shit.
Through here?
Yeah. No, it's too woody, right?
No, it's too. We need to go more.
Yeah, I think it was all the way over here, right? Wasn't it right here? At this part? Yeah. Go, Jose. I will light you up, bro. And then after that, you, Charlie.
What?
I got you, Jose. I got you, bro. Keep going, Jose. Keep going. I got it. Keep going. Just try not to use the light too much. Go. I want us people to spot us, bro. Keep going. Yeah. Keep crashing in the woods, bro. Keep going, Jose. Keep going. Yeah. Alright, bro. We're here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's huge building, guys. All the way over there.
Through here.
Alright, Jose, we gotta go through over here. Charlie, go through there, bro.
Through that door?
Right here, bro. Snap. Alright, guys. We're walking now to the building. We're almost at the entrance. Hey, turn off your light, guys. Look. See that? See that, Jose? I don't know if you guys can see that. Dude, it's huge. You think it's gonna be haunted? Hello? I'm scared like from that spots, bro. Maybe we should go to the other side, you don't think? Hello? You're quiet. Let's go this way, guys. This way.
It's sandy.
Yeah, hold on. Hello?
Anybody here?
Let's go more over there. Dude, I feel like my lights are dying.
No, don't say that.
No, like this one. It's like low. I charge it.
Dude, it's huge. This building's huge.
Hello?
Can you make a noise? Why is there all that smoke?
It's the dust, bro, I think. We're picking up from the floor. go this side. So they say this place is super haunted. Oh, bro. What? Yeah. It does, right? Yeah, it does smell. Yeah, it smells like dog. Like a cow. What's that's weird? We never smelled that before, bro. When we came here. Hello? Dude, this thing is creepy as fuck. Sorry, guys. Dude, for a second I thought there was a person over there. Over there for a second. You should turn the K2 meter, bro. See if we can see something. Yeah, you should turn the K2. Hello? Alright, you're getting scared, huh?
Dude, his face is huge.
You got the K2?
Yeah.
Let's see. You got anything?
It's going crazy.
Dude. Whoa. Let me see. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hello? Is anybody here? Dude.
What does that mean?
That means that it's magnetic field, bro. So it means someone here. Hold on, bro. Don't move too much. Is someone here? Take the light on. Your light. Is someone here? The light is flashing, bro. Can you make a type of noise? Is it still flashing?
From this location.
Bro, look at that.
You should
Dude,
try
I never seen this thing flash like that.
You should try the...
Spare box. Let's go over there. Dude, it's still lighting up.
Yeah.
And,
It's insane.
let me see, let me see, let me see. Dude. Let's go more deep over here, bro. And then we'll try the spare box. Hold on. Just watch how you surround these guys, alright? I mean, you never know if anybody can be here. Hello? Hello? Oh man, my hands are freezing, bro. It's super cold in here. Ah. Alright guys, we're gonna do the spear box.
We never checked this place on this side.
On this side?
Yeah, we should try it here.
Let's do it right here.
Hello?
Alright, let's do the spirit box here, bro. Let me turn off the light.
Have you seen how far it is?
Yeah. Cool. Light up. Let me see. Let me show people how far that tunnel. Light it up. What's that? Light up the tunnel over there. I don't know if they can see that. Let me see. Oh, the light doesn't go. The light doesn't. Dude, my light is go like. Look like it's dying. Hold on. Let's do that. The spirit box. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna switch to the spirit box. See if we get anything. Man, my hands are freezing. Oh man. What? Right, I told you it smells like a dead animal, bro. But we didn't smell that before. Right? Maybe it's something bad, bro. No, they say something could be something bad here. Alright, hold on. Alright guys, we switch into the spirit box. Alright guys, be quiet, okay? Shh. Hello? Could we talk to the spirits that haunts this factory? What is your name? Can you tell me your name? Can you tell me your name? We want to know why you hunt this building. Did you pass away here? How did you die here? Did something bad happen to you? I challenge you. I challenge you guys. Can you make any type of noise? Can you let us know you're here? Can you show yourself? Make a noise. Let us know you're here. I double dare you. I triple dare you. I bet you won't come out. It don't mean no harm to you. I know you're here. You can hear me. What was that? Use the light that you see. You can use that energy. Come on. Alright guys. I'm gonna stop the spirit box just to see and review it and see if we hear something, cut something, okay guys? Okay, this is goodbye. We're closing the door. That's creepy. Hold on, let me switch to the literally we're hearing like creepy stuff right now. Yeah. But it's just like little small noises, like you can hear them like little tiny rocks. Oh, shh, 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 shh.
Just stay quiet for a little. That wasn't us, bro.
Okay, guys. Okay. I stopped the camera for a second and to connect it to my phone so I can see the screen, and we heard like a lot of noise right now. Shh. Dude.
It was just like a rock.
Yeah, but who's gonna throw a freaking rock? You serious?
It sounded like a loud noise too. Who's here?
Shh, bro. Dude, I got scared now, bro. let's keep going this way, bro, because we'll be closer to the exit, just in case. Dude, I feel like I'm like blind or something.
Same.
Hello? Can you make that noise again? I know I challenge you. We don't mean no disrespect.
It literally just happened when you turned off the camera.
I know. Hello?
Stay
Why?
Stay quiet just for like a minute.
Okay. Make sure you guys check your behinds, okay?
That's what I'm doing.
Hold on, hold on. Okay. Dude, it is creepy, bro. I mean, we're hearing like a bunch of stuff, you know? It's getting creepy, guys. It's getting creepy. It's getting really creepy, guys. Let's go this way. Let's go inside that way.
You don't want me to walk
What?
on this dust?
Yeah,
There's no dust.
I know. And I got very cold in here too. Right? Because my hands were freezing for a second. Hello? Show yourself. You know, we know you're here. What?
I was over here in the same location.
I know that's full
Like
of
a little droplet.
I know that's full of water or something, but it's frozen. Do you guys notice like the batteries are draining on the flashlight? What is that? What is that? Shh, shh, shh.
Like a rumbling?
Yeah. Hello? Come on, play.
Check my back. Was a ladder to get up there.
Yeah, they took them down for a reason. I think so people wouldn't go up there. Hello?
Anybody here?
Challenge it, Jose.
Make a noise. I dare you.
Challenge it more.
Come on, I'll trip out there. We're over here. He's waiting.
Come on. Hello? Anybody here? Let us know you're here. We're about to leave. At least try to scare us.
Look
Light up over there, Jose. All the way over there. Jose. Jose. Light up over there.
What's going on?
I don't know. Hold on. Shh. I thought I saw something, bro. Hello?
We're not here.
I mean, I don't think anybody will be here, bro. It's like super cold. Huh?
Dude, it's getting cold right now. In the water.
It's frozen. It is water. That's water, right, Charlie? That's water, right?
It's water, yeah.
Come out. Why is it that every time we go to do a video from far, bro, we hear a freaking dog barking every freaking time? I mean, there's another room over there. I know you guys want to go check it out. It's like a little small room. Like it used to be a bathroom. You know what? Turn the camera. Just take a picture of that, Jose. I want to see if we see something over there. I'm going to take a picture with the Polaroid, guys. Put it in flash. You only got 2 pictures. But, okay, give me your light so I can light up so you have more light where you're going to take the picture. Take the picture of the rock. You see that rock with the skull? Yeah. Can you show yourself? Hold on. Don't take it. Let me ask you a question. Can you show yourself to us? Come in front of us. We want to know that you exist. Show yourself. Well, I'm going to consider you a scary cat. Take the picture. Take another one. Take it from over there. You see that?
Where?
The hallway. The hallway.
Straight?
Yeah, straight.
That last one.
Maybe you know what? Come this way. This way. Take it. Take it like straight right here. Between these walls. Look. Between these 2 walls. Where are you going? Okay. You hear that? Yep, I heard it. Come out, come out. Here, Jose.
Give me a flashlight now.
Alright guys, we're gonna check this other little room. See if we can get in quick. Right here, Jose. Come on. Just go in. Go quick, bro. Yeah, I know. Go in quick.
You going?
I'm gonna go after. I got the camera. Come on. Look at scary cat. Hold on. Okay. Hello? Hello? Okay, go in. I'll light you up. Here, hold the camera, Jose. I got you. Alright, go, Jose.
Oh, the camera.
You give the camera to Charlie. Go, Jose. Hey, light. When you get in, light me up from the back, bro. Okay.
You heard me, right?
Go. Here, Jose. Get the camera. Más grave. You just recording.
How crazy this is.
Watch on my back.
I'm watching your back. Yeah.
Sorry guys, I'm not athletic.
Neither am I.
Hello?
Go to the other side.
Let me see. Locked? Go, Jose. It's your turn to leave, bro. Careful, bro. Just don't touch anything. That's a cool drawing. Maybe we should get out through this window. Hello? Let me see. Yeah, these are old ass boots. Go to the other bathroom, say. I'm behind you, bro. Don't worry.
No, I know.
Dude, that's another window, bro. Sorry.
Really?
Sorry, bro.
What is that?
Go check to the last one. Make sure there's nobody there, bro. Keep going. Well, I'm here with you. Nobody's gonna jump you.
No, bro.
Dude, just like this. Death. Wow. You no? Hello? Make a noise. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Hello? How dare you? I bet you're scared. You won't come out.
What's in that locker?
No. Let's go, guys. I don't see anything here. I mean, we heard like a bunch of noises over there. Yeah, back over there we heard noises, but when I turned off the camera for a second so I can connect it to my phone, that's when we heard like a big rock. So, I mean, hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
I might take a pair of boots here.
Hell no, man. I would not take that. No way. I would not take that, bro. You never know, you know?
Yeah. You know.
There could be stuff that haunts that and you take it into your house. And damn, Charlie, man. You like want to explore everything. Holy moly.
Charlie,
Trying to see if he finds money.
Charlie, check the file cabinets, bro.
Trying to see if he
Right
finds
here, bro.
gold.
Charlie, the file cabinet.
There's no file cabinet.
Right there, bro. What? The
Oh,
file
really?
cabinet.
Oh. Yeah. I don't think there's nothing there, bro. If you see something there's gonna be like a rat.
I think.
Nothing? You just don't touch nothing, bro. You know?
Yeah.
There's all, you know, all that stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Now let's go, man. Yeah, it's freaking cold, bro.
Oh, my hands are freezing, if you can tell.
Yeah, come on. I wonder if we should get out from here or from the other side. It's like, it's taller right here, bro.
No.
Yeah, the other way, yeah. Damn, bro, you scared me. Thought someone was walking over there. Because they came running this way right away.
Come on.
go ahead. You guys, hold on. Yeah, Jose, hold the camera, bro. Here, Charlie. Hey, my turn, bro. I got it last time on the end. Jose's a smart ass. He just light up here.
You try to be slick, huh?
I'll watch all of that. Yeah, hold on. Don't worry, Jose. Got you, bro. Got you. Okay. Good. Yeah.